Welcome to Mart's Garage.
I'm going to do a quick little job, and it's a quick, easy little job, and it's basically how to increase your safety for nothing, for free. Okay? There's a tail light there and brake light. I'm going to put the tail light on, I'm going to put the brake light on, then I'm going to make a modification which costs nothing, then I'll put the tail light on again and the brake light, and hopefully you should be able to see a difference, because I can see a difference between this right hand one and the left hand one, and I've already made the modification in the right hand one. So let's see if the camera can pick up the difference. Okay, there's the rear light. I've set the camera off to the side a little bit. Maybe we can go here in line. So there's the rear light. And there's the brake light. Here's a tray from a Bakewell tart. So I'm going to make a little hole in the middle there, slip it over the bulb and put it in there. Just budged a hole in it with a screwdriver. Okay, so I've put the cake tray in, so let's see what it looks like now. There's the rear light. And there's the brake light and there's the brake light. Rear light on its own. Brake light on its own. Rear light and brake light together. It looks brighter, doesn't it? I can see it looks brighter. So those two lights now look a similar brightness. Now when I was fitting that, I realised it was slightly smaller than the one I used on this side. This one actually came right out to the edge. So I will try and remember what I used on this side, and I'll fit another one similar to this on there. So it's just a case of looking out for a suitable sized, you know, little cake tray, a little aluminium cake tray. But it does make a difference. Anyway, okay, I hope you found that useful and interesting, and anything that increases safety, especially if you can do it for free, is a good thing, isn't it? Okay, but based on what I can see there, you probably can't see it in the camera, but This one is slightly brighter, so the bigger the better. So you need to find a suitable cake tray. So all I can say is Mr. Kipling, he does make exceedingly good brake light reflectors. Okay, thanks a lot then, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.